Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the world of sports nutrition. Today, we're going to focus on a topic that's crucial for all athletes and active individuals: recovery. Whether you're an amateur or a professional, proper recovery is key to restoring energy and rebuilding muscles. So, grab your protein shake and let's dive into the science behind it. First things first, let's talk about the importance of nutrition in the recovery process. You may have heard the saying, "You are what you eat," and when it comes to sports nutrition, that couldn't be more true. What you consume post-workout plays a vital role in replenishing energy stores and repairing damaged muscle fibers. To achieve optimal recovery, we need to focus on three essential macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of energy, providing the fuel you need to perform at your best. Did you know that during exercise, your body breaks down glycogen, which is stored in your muscles and liver, to provide energy? Consuming carbohydrates after your workout helps replenish these glycogen stores, ensuring you're ready for your next training session. Now that we understand the importance of these macronutrients, let's explore some fantastic food options that can help speed up your recovery process. First up, we have carbohydrates. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread to replenish glycogen stores. These complex carbohydrates release energy slowly, providing you with a steady stream of fuel. Fruits like bananas and berries provide natural sugars and antioxidants for a quick energy boost. Did you know that berries, particularly blueberries, are rich in antioxidants that can help reduce exercise-induced muscle damage? Now, let's talk about protein, the building block of muscles. Lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, tofu, and Greek yogurt are excellent choices. They provide essential amino acids necessary for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissues. Did you know that consuming protein within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout can enhance muscle protein synthesis and promote faster recovery? Lastly, let's not overlook healthy fats. Nuts, avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon are fantastic options. These healthy fats aid in reducing inflammation and promoting overall recovery. Plus, fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in bone health and muscle function. While whole foods should be your primary source of nutrition, supplements can also play a role in aiding your recovery. Protein powders, such as whey or plant-based options, can be convenient for a quick and easily digestible post-workout shake. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are another popular supplement that can support muscle recovery and reduce muscle soreness. Did you know that BCAAs, specifically leucine, stimulate muscle protein synthesis and help prevent muscle breakdown? Now that we've covered nutrition, let's not forget the importance of hydration in the recovery process. Proper hydration helps transport nutrients to your muscles and aids in flushing out waste products. So, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Did you know that even mild dehydration can negatively impact your exercise performance and hinder recovery? Remember, recovery isn't just about what you do immediately after your workout. It's a continuous process that involves adequate rest, sleep, and managing stress levels. Prioritize getting enough sleep to allow your body to repair and regenerate. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for tissue repair and muscle growth. So, don't neglect your rest. And there you have it, folks. Sports nutrition for recovery in a nutshell. By focusing on the right foods, supplements, hydration, and rest, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your athletic performance and achieving your fitness goals. Remember, recovery is just as important as training itself. So, take care of your body, nourish it with the right nutrients, and enjoy the benefits of a well-rounded recovery routine. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep pushing yourself and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.